If you are looking for the best garage door lubricant, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1. Most popular. WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease Spray. This lubricant from WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease is white lithium grease that provides very heavy lubrication and a protective coating that stays for long. They block air and moisture, which are responsible for the corrosion and dust. If your garage door needs some high security that demands heavy lubrication, then this is the ideal lubricant for you. This can also be used on other metal products like sprockets, latches, pulleys, hinges, overhead door tracks, rails, cables, etc. If the solution is applied indoors, it will stay protected for at least 2 years. Number 2. Number 2. Behr High Performance White Lithium Grease. White lithium grease from Behr possesses everything that one needs for protecting its garage doors. The lubricant bottle comes with a hinge spray that provides a very clean and uniform coating, allowing you to reach every specific area. Being free from any sort, it can be applied easily as well as being a quick drying solution. It does not block your work for a long time. As it is a very professional garage door lubricant that helps in reducing the friction to a greater extent, it protects your doors without making them sticky. Number 3. Number 3. 3M08875 White Grease. The 3M White Lithium Grease-based garage door lubricant comes in an aerosol can. The container possesses a nozzle that allows easy application as well as allows you to apply lubricant in the tight areas which need reduced friction. The application of the lubricant provides a hefty coating. It protects against moisture, dust, corrosion. This solution extends the lifespan of the doors and ensures smooth movement with much less friction. Moreover, the lubricant is not wiped off when it comes in contact with rain, snow, or sleet. It protects high friction loads, rubbing and wiping actions. Number 4. Number 4. LiquiFix Non-Toxic Lubricant. This solution from LiquiFix is ideal. This solution is created using eco-friendly materials. The solution is food-safe, zero VOC, and is non-toxic. This can be used in small areas. The solution protects against corrosion, moisture, dust, and other damages. Unlike the other lubricants in the list, this lubricant does not come in any can or tube. It comes in a spray bottle which allows the effortless application. Moreover, it is odorless, which is a significant relief to all those who can't bear the smell of the lubricant. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10533 White Lithium Grease. The lubricant from Lucas is considered as one of the finest in the market. This grease is used to apply on the garage parts, springs, hinges, and garage door openers. Application of this protects the things against corrosion, dust, damage, and moisture. Hence, the lubricant being versatile can be used on various parts of the garage door. The lubricant looks white and creamy, which is quite helpful while applying as one can see where it has been applied. This can be applied to all the mechanical parts of the doors, which will reduce the friction. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.